going on, guys? So today is Sunday. Yesterday I picked up a new project. Kind of came out of nowhere. It's a pretty big, decent project. I'm familiar with the car. I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. I actually have a WRX wagon that's STi swapped right now, but here it is. So like I was saying, I just picked this up yesterday. Got it for really cheap, decent price. It is missing quite a few things. The bulk of the car is here though. So the story behind it is blew the engine, got it rebuilt, forged internals, rebuilt heads, and took it apart and it just sat. So I came across it on Facebook Marketplace. I actually seen it a few times and I was like, yeah, you know, would be a cool project, but I didn't go ahead and entertain it. I didn't message them, and I was like, whatever, fuck it, I'll message them, see what I can get, see what I can pay for something like this. So this is an 04 STi, 6-speed Brembos, all that's there, all the big ticket items are there. Car's in decent shape. Paint has seen better days, but I am a painter. Worst comes to worst, I can repaint this thing, not a big deal. So plans for it, kind of just get it together, make it a runner. I kind of want to go big turbo, big fuel, put down like 400 wheel. But then again, I just want to do like a VF39, put it back to stock, and maybe drive it, sell it, I don't know. But yeah, so this is kind of like an introduction. This is going to be a pretty decently long series. I'm going to try and buy everything on a budget. It's missing the intake manifold assembly, exhaust manifold, turbo, up pipe, alternator, all the AC components because I want to throw AC back in this thing. It's missing some interior pieces, steering rack, tie rods, stuff like that. It did come with a few cool bits. It came with an HKS catback exhaust, came with an NVIDIA downpipe, some custom side exit 3-inch exhaust. It's kind of cool, kind of odd for an STi, but we'll see. Maybe I'll throw it on. Plans for today, I just threw the rear seats in and then I was like, fuck it, I'll make a video. But yeah, this is going to be a long process. Hope you guys are excited as much as I am. This car is really going to change, so stay tuned. All right, so got some slate work done. I'm sweating fucking bullets out here, guys. I'm digging through bins of bolts, screws. I can't find shit. I knew I was getting into this, so it's all right. But yeah, let me show you guys what I've done so far. All right, so as of right now, I got the dash fully mounted. When I picked up the car, I just threw it in temporarily just because it was out. I really don't know why it was out. I had to put the cluster back together. I actually just found this piece for the that guy, so that kind of sucks. I got to take it back out. But I kind of don't really want to do that, so I'm just gonna wait on that. But cluster's back together minus that one piece. It's just for the shift light. It's not really a huge deal. I really hope that it works just because these are like $300-400 bucks, and this should have the correct mileage on it. I got the center console starting to come in. I took out this bunk ass Python car alarm / like car starter. Whoever put it in didn't really know what they were doing, but I got that out. I didn't want any kind of issues when it comes time to start this car. So airbag, that side airbag's plugged in. This is all plugged in. Lines are kind of ran. This is for like the gauges, boost gauge. That's for like the Innovate wideband. There's some other stuff here and there. Today I just kind of want to try and get the interior kind of settled and together for the most part. But I'm gonna keep going at this and see where I get. All right, so I've been picking away at this thing. Still got tons to do. Still missing a bunch of stuff. I got the dash in, center console. I had to go through some wiring and fix the shift light. Definitely a decent project. Don't mind that. That I just kind of threw in half-assed. Can't find this thing, the cup holder. Doesn't have a radio. What else? Don't really want to run this wheel because this wheel is absolutely disgusting. Couldn't find the buttons. They might be in one of the bins somewhere, hopefully. I think one of these is for like the headlight leveler, and this one might be for something else. What we got down here, OBD port right there. This guy, don't really know. OBD port's supposed to go there, but I can't find the like the little housing for it. What else? Got this in. I'm still missing a bunch of bolts and screws and stuff, so I'm missing like 4 screws in there. Everything else is pretty decent. I guess I could put this guy in. It's being a pain. So yeah, I mean, I got the A-pillars in. They look like ass. I'm definitely gonna have to repaint them. It kind of sucks. Gonna have to redo the headliner. This is all, it looks purple in the video. It's not, it's black. It's kind of sagging a lot. It kind of sucks, but hey, I guess it is what it is. I kind of knew what I was getting into, I guess. I think I might just finish today off with going through the parts a little bit. And maybe giving it a quick wash. I'm not going to go crazy with the detail just because I don't have my pressure washer here. But yeah, that's pretty much it so far. Let's see what we got in here. We got the alternator bracket, AC bracket, STi intercooler. It's got a HKS super sequential on it. I don't know if it's real or not, but I'll find out someday. We got, oh fuck yeah, we got valve cover gaskets. I was about to order some of those. Nice. Oh wait, no, that's for the front cover. Cam seals, proper pressure washers. I hope they didn't need any of that stuff. Couple intake manifold gaskets, water pump gasket. What else we got? Oh yeah, you can definitely read that. Oh, that's for the front covers. Another little baggie. Let's see what this one says. Oh, that's the I believe that's the cam position sensor. That's like an oil switch sensor or some shit. At least it has a new oil pump, water pump. Here's one of the old pistons. He said he smoked one of the cylinders. I don't know if it was a Ringland or what, but I got a rod. They don't look like they got hot. Another one. Oh, sorry. That one looks a little suspect. Not bad. Got more shit in here. Another piston. Let's see what we got. Teal. Another rod in there. Coolant crossover pipe. Thank God. Don't know what this shit was for. Maybe he had some kind of fuel setup. Might have to do something about that. Like I said, it's got some shit in there. STi pinks, HKS, catback, Perrin lightweight pulley in that box, starter, motor mounts, power steering reservoir. That's for the bottom where the rack goes. Some boots linkage, kind of need that. Some kind of brace or something. I'll figure that out. Side skirts, wheel wells. I think that's it for inside my truck. Yep. But I'm gonna probably clean up the garage a little bit, throw some of these parts back in the car, give this thing a quick douching, and put the engine in here.